In this class, we will learn how to convert degree measure into radian measure. You see this question, find radian measure corresponding to following degree measure. You observe these bits, they measured angle in degrees. We need to convert this degree measures into radian measure. How to convert degree measure into radian measure? This is very easy. Have patience, try to understand, watch this video till the end. I want to convert 25 degrees into radian measure. In previous classes, we learned this. Pi radians, radians is denoted by power C. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees. This is the main point in this problem. Pi radians is 180 degrees. What is 1 degree from this? You divide both sides with 180. What is 1 degree from this? 1 degree is pi divided by 180 radians. Power C I'll write. Even though if we don't write power C, it indicates a radian measure. Try to understand. We are converting 25 degrees into radian measure. The important point is pi radians is 180 degrees. From this, what is 1 degree? 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. If you know this point, 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians, all these problems are going to be very easy. So, 1 degree is what? Pi by 180 radians. I need 25 degrees. Here 1 degree is there. To get 25 degrees, you multiply with 25 on both sides. 25 into 1 degree, that is 25 degree equal to, here you multiply with 25. 25 into pi divided by 180 radians. Here 5 table in 25, 5 times. 5 table 36 times. So what is 25 degrees? 25 degrees equal to 5 pi by 36 radians. Simply if you leave like this, it indicates it is a radian measure. However, we can write the notation power C like this also. This is the notation for radian measure. So we learn how to convert 25 degrees into radian measure. Similarly, we will see the second bit, 240 degrees. Now we need to convert this 240 degrees into radian measure. Important thing is you need to know what is 1 degree. You see from this, what is 1 degree? 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. You need 240 degrees. You multiply both sides with 240 degrees. Multiply both sides with 240 degrees. 240 into 1 degree is 240 degrees equal to 240 into pi by 180 radians. Here this 0 will get cancelled. If you see the 6 table, 6 4s are 6 3s are. So this will be equal to 4 pi by 3 radians. So what is 240 degrees? 240 degrees equal to 4 pi by 3 radians. Okay. Now you see the third one. What is third one? 520 degrees. You need to convert this 520 degrees into radian measure. This is important. You must know what is 1 degree. You see this first bit. Pi radians is 180 degrees. 1 degree is what? 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. To get 520 degrees, you multiply both sides with 520. 520 into 1 degree is 520 degrees equal to 520 into pi by 180 radians. Now we need to simplify this. Here 0 will get cancelled. 2 table in this 26 times. 2 table in this 9 times. So what you will get? You will get that 26 pi divided by 9 radians. So what is 520 degrees? 520 degrees equal to 26 pi by 9 radians. I hope you are understanding. You see this fourth bit, this is little complicated compared to first 3 bits. So we'll do step by step. I'll explain all the things neatly. You please try to understand. Okay, we need to convert minus 47 degrees 30 minutes into radian measure. 47 degrees 30 minutes. If you observe my previous class related to degree measure, you can understand these things very clearly. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So what about 30 minutes? You divide both sides with 2. What you will get? Half degree equal to 30 minute. So here this 30 minute can be written as half degree. So here you see this step can be written as minus 47 degrees 30 minutes is nothing but 47 and half degrees. 47 and half degrees. As it is a mixed fraction, you multiply 47 into 2 plus 1, that is 95. 95 by 2 degrees. I hope you are understanding. 47 degrees 30 minutes is nothing but 95 by 2 degrees. Now we need to convert this 95 by 2 degrees into radian measure. We know that 1 degree equal to how many radians? 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. You see here from this 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. What you want? You want minus 95 by 2 degrees. So what you will do? You multiply both sides with minus 95 by 2. So what you will get? Minus 95 by 2 into 1 degree, that is minus 95 by 2 degrees equal to minus, multiply both sides with 95 by 2. 95 by 2 into pi by 180 radians. So we need to simplify this now. You see phi table here 36 times and phi table here 19 times. So finally what you will get here, therefore minus 47 degrees 30 minutes equal to minus, you observe here in the numerator 19 pi divided by, in the denominator 36 into 2. 36 into 2 is 72 radians. Therefore, minus 47 degrees 30 minutes equal to minus 19 pi by 72 radians. In coming classes, we learn how to convert radian measure into degree measure.